Hi, Kevin from the Awareness.website, and of course this week's video continuing Classroom Classics. So we're going to be going into the next move, which I believe is move 28, 27 and 28. So I got Shelly in the back showing me fingers. Anyway, the move is from the Stork Spreads Wings. We're going into the left brush knee and then needle at sea bottom. So I'm going to give you quite a bit of detail on this, so hang in there and we'll be right back. Alright, last week we left you standing up in Stork Spreads Wings. So now we're going to bring you out of that, bring you down into it, into the left brush knee. Now I've done brush knees before, so same idea, but we're just going to kind of go over a few little things just to make sure that we get it into place in this move. On the Stork Spreads Wings, you're standing on the right leg, so you've got your whip to one side kind of positioning. So you're on the toe, the heel slightly lifted, but there's an expression. So as you come up, there's an expression upwards through the arm, through the hand, and then as you relax back down and turn, this hand just sort of continues to go, and then it drops down. And as you relax and turn, see the arm just sort of pulls you and turns you and lets you sit into this leg again. And as that arm goes back, as you're relaxing down and the arm is opening, that's the cue for the left leg to step. So you've got a balance between the left arm, or pardon me, the right arm going back, palm up, and the left leg going forward. So there's this balance that keeps you stable on your right leg. So there's no weight going into it. It's just as you open, relax down and stretch out here, this sort of balances here. So as soon as this foot touches, then you can connect with the back leg and that arm will just sort of naturally spring into place. So very simple. The other arm is pressing down, so left arm is pressing down. It just sort of goes with that turn to come up to the front. And then that left arm and left leg are lined up to the front as the right arm comes down and lines up to the back. So nice big expression on this. That's left brush knee. So as you open, relax down, step and stretch, and then drop the elbows, hands in front, and express out. So just like we've done before, Tor Yu, going into the brush knee. As you go into the front leg, everything relaxes down. So left hand is pressing down, and elbows drop, shoulders drop, everything settles. As you're expressing out, you get the weight into this leg, you express out, and that expression in the right arm pulls that leg in. So it's just that last little bit helps to bring in that half step. So you open, balance the step, connect the arms, express out at the last little bit, boom, and then push up and open. So again, you're turning to the right, pushing from the right leg. There's still expression on this toe to keep the core, the hips stable. Open, step, connect the arms, express out, push into the leg, open. So from here, you're going to turn forward again and let the arms drop. So facing the camera, you'll see what I mean here. Open and step, connect the arms, express. So the last little bit pulls the back leg in, push into the back leg, keep the front toe just expressing slightly, and come up. So this is an expression up. And then from here, you just sort of connect the arms in front again, let them drop, and then they pull the body down. So this is a stretch straight down to the foot, and then you'll push from the front toe, push into the back leg, and come up again. Now there's lots of different ways you can do this particular, the needle at sea bottom part, just like all the other moves, depending on where you're at and what you're working on. Couple of neat things with this move is it's Shelley's favorite move, always has been. We get into needle at sea bottom and we got to wait for Shelley sometimes because she's just, oh God, oh, that's such a nice stretch. Oh. So it's a good stretch, right from the heel all the way up the leg and up to the head. And just letting the arms drop down. You're not forcing anything. You just let the body fall and express the arms downward. So there's no driving it in, no tension. Just let everything relax and express. Now, depending on what you're working on, and just to relate a little bit of information that came through when we're doing a workshop in the Calgary Club, there was a fellow that was had just done a lot of courses in China on acupuncture. He'd been studying acupuncture. He was a practicing acupuncturist, and he was also a member of the club. And so he was he was asked to explain a little bit about why this move is called needle at sea bottom. And the interesting thing is in the back of the legs, behind the knee, there's an acupuncture point that needles apparently cannot get to. And this stretch, going down and stretching the legs, helps to open up that sea bottom point. So this is needle at sea bottom. And of course, some of the more comical people, because you're behind somebody, it's like needle and sea bottom. So take it however you want. Back to the moves. So you open, relax, balance the arm and the leg, connect the arms in front, relax. Express, step, push up, open, drop and connect the hands in front, let the body fall forward, express, push from the legs, body comes up, and there you are. So both palms are outwards, and let the arms come up. Let the body express. Not way up, but shoulder height. So again, from this angle, so expressing, open, relax, balance the step, connect the arms in front, express forward, relax down, half step, push up, open, drop the hands in front, down front of the body, push from the toe, push from the leg, and come up. So very relaxed. Now, the interesting thing about going down and coming up, a lot of people get very stiff. So they go down and it's kind of almost a flat back, and then coming up they pull the arms up. So you don't, because that puts a lot of strain on the back, the lower back especially. So you want to really relax down. So you let the arms drop. So see, my body hadn't started going forward until the hands are in front. And then I just let it roll down. I'm expressing from the feet. And then I push from the feet. And I just let myself come back up. So as opposed to it's very tight in here. So just relax. Let it all drop. The hands come down the front of the body. Express down. And you push from the feet. And just let the body open up. So again, the palms turn outwards. Okay, got all that? You got lots to practice, so let's do a little bit of follow along. So I'm going to be facing this way, and we'll start with the Stork Spreads Wings. So relax, turn to the right, open the arms and step. Connect the arms in front, express from the leg and let the arms go. Half step just at the very end. Push up, turn to the right. Drop the hands in front, down the front of the body. Relax down, needle at sea bottom. See what I mean? Up. Okay, let's do that again. Stork spreads wings. Open up and step. Set the hands up in front. Left brush knee. Half step. Push up. Open. Needle at sea bottom. Drop the hands. Express. Push from the toe. Push from the right leg. Hands up to the side. Okay. One more time. Stork spreads wings. Left brush knee. Up to the right. Hands down in front. Let the body relax down. Express. Relax up as the legs push. Turning to the right again. Okay, so lots to practice, and next week we'll get into the mystery move, fan penetrates through back. So as always, like us on Facebook, check out the website. We've got lots of videos happening there, so if you're new, take a look at all of them. There's lots to go through. And what's the other one? Subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, take care. We'll see you again. Bye.